Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your website with SiteGround step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SiteGround account. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites tab on the dashboard. Select the website you wish to protect. Click on the Security option in the left-hand menu. In the Security menu, you'll find the SSL section. Enable the SSL option to encrypt data between your website and its visitors. Next, return to the Security menu and locate the Backups section. Set up automatic backups to ensure your data is regularly saved. Now, proceed to the Web Application Firewall option. Activate the firewall to protect your site from malicious attacks. After that, visit the Spam Protection section. Implement anti-spam measures to keep unwanted content at bay. Next, go to the Domain Restrictions settings. Add IP addresses to restrict access to your website if necessary. Now, let's ensure your software is up to date. Head over to the WordPress Manager if you're using a WordPress site. Update all installed plugins in your theme to their latest versions. Now, return to the dashboard and click on Site Security. Enable two-factor authentication for an additional layer of protection. Finally, monitor your website's activity regularly. This will help you detect any unusual behavior or potential threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.